Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update profile picture on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click here and click edit profile, public profile, and here you'll find edit, and here you'll find this update profile picture. Click on it and choose any photo from your gallery, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.